Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bio on Facebook. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Once the app is open, you'll see your feed with all the latest posts from your friends and followers. Step 2. Now locate your profile by tapping on your profile picture or your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Facebook profile. Step 3. Next, locate the Edit Profile option and tap on it. Step 4. Now scroll down to locate the Bio option and tap on it. Step 5. For the last and most important step, type the bio you like, then choose the Save option at the top right side and add the bio to your account instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!